Okay, year 3. Miss Ada is going to explain a little bit of some levels of lesson 4 on course C, okay? So, you know how to open, of course, your name, your picture, sign in the orange button, and we have done lesson 1, the video, lesson 2, another video, lesson 3, another video. We started explaining up to level 4. You can do all these levels, I think. I will just show you level 8 now. Okay, so in level 8 you have a challenge. I'm sure if you did before, you can also do the challenge, okay? So when you have when you have a level like this, remember, I think I told you before, the gray blocks you cannot put in the bin. You must use them. So there must be some extra blue blocks, because, oh, actually we have 13 and then 13. So maybe you are missing something. Let's see what do they tell you to do.
Don't forget to use the step button to go through block by block and look for errors. If you are having trouble figuring this puzzle out, try writing the words down on a piece of paper.
So you see, sometimes if you write on a piece of paper, it will help us. Let's go step by step. So move forward 1, move forward 2, turn right. So far, so good. Move forward 1. Look, if move forward 2, he's going to bump into TNT, into dynamite, and explode. So this move forward here is wrong. Yes, we need to take it off and put it in the bin. And then we can start again, clicking on the blue. And let's go step again. Move forward 1, move forward 2, turn right. Move forward 1, turn left. Yes, move forward 1, turn right. Yes, move forward 1, move forward 2, move forward 3, and again it's asking me to move forward again. If I move forward again, what's going to happen? I'm going to bump. Look. So no, that's not right. So I must put this in the bin. Yes, when I stop here, actually I need to turn left or right. Yeah, so let's say if I put left, I need to move left. Let's see if it works. We can try, if you're not sure, you can try. Because it's the last one, I'm going to just click run. So move forward 1, forward 2, turn right, forward 1, turn left, forward 1, turn right, forward 1, forward 2, forward 3, turn left. Uh-oh. If I do turn left, look at his eyes. His eyes is not in the right direction. Actually, is move right, not left. And then I need to go to get the pig. So forward 1, forward 2, turn right. Forward 1, turn left. Forward 1, turn right. Forward 1, 2, turn right and forward. Okay, I love this puzzle. And then you can continue. So Miss Ada is not going to show you how to do this one, because I think you can try. I'm just going to go to 11. Yeah. In this 11, it has nothing when you come here. There's nothing here. You need to find any way you want to do it. Any way you want. If you want to do on a zigzag, come here, 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 come here. You go there. No problem. It's up to you. Or if you want to go faster, maybe, let's see which will be the faster way. Go straight, turn right, go down, turn left, and then this could be, or go 1, turn right, go down, turn left. Either way, you can decide. Let me see if he goes 1, 2, 3 times. If you want to start using the repeat, you can. Like, how much is 1 times 3? 1 times 3 is 3. So I'm going to do, I want 3 times to go forward. See? So 1 forward times 3. So it's going to go 3 times. If I go step by step, move forward 1, move forward 2, move forward 3. Now, the bird is there looking that way. Now, this is my right hand, the hand that I write. Do you want it to turn right or do you want it to turn left? My right hand is this, and he's going to turn right. He's going to turn going down. And this is what I want. So I'm going to put turn right here. Yeah? So he's going to go forward 1, forward 2, forward 3, turn right. And then I can say, okay, now I want it to go down 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks to get to the same line as the pig is. So again, I can use my repeat. I want this block forward to repeat 3 times. 3 times 1, 3 times move forward. And I can reset and run. 1, 2, 3, turn right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the pig is looking that way. Yeah? My pig is looking that way. Do you want the pig to go right or to go left? Yeah? Because he's looking this way. He's going, la, 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 la. I'm going to get the pig. And then he needs to turn left because the pig is left, yeah? So I'm going to turn left. And let's see how many blocks he needs to go then. 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, and 3. So let's repeat again, 3. 3 times 1 is how much? 3 times 1? 3. So forward 1, forward 2, forward 3, turn right. Forward 1, forward 2, forward 3, turn left. Forward 1, forward 2, forward 3. And there he got the pig. I love this. And you can go to the challenge. There are 2 challenges in lesson 4. And I am sure you can do the challenges, okay? Because you have been doing this since last year, so I think you can do the challenge. All right? And if you cannot use the repeat button, no problem. Just put, like, if you need 3 forwards, put 3 forwards instead of 1 times 3. It's fine. No problem. Okay? So enjoy your coding.